Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to publish on the Breaking News application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And now click on this plus icon down below in the middle of the screen. So then you should type in whatever is on your mind, whatever you would like to publish, or just simply post. So just type in whatever you want and then hit the button publish in the upper left corner of the screen. So as you can see, your comment has been added to this section called the wall, which you can find by clicking on the second icon down below. So as you can see, there are many posts by other publishers, so-called publishers, by other users of this application. So you can follow them by clicking on the on their username, and as you can see, you can either add them to add them as friends, follow them, or block them if you do not wish to see their posts anymore at this section called the wall. So if you want to delete your post that you have just published, all you have to do is clicking on this icon in the right corner, and then select the delete post option, which is the first one actually. So as you can see, your post or my post has just disappeared. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.